If you door knock a house and no one's home, how does the property owner know that you were there? In many cases, they don't. So a good little tip is to leave a handwritten note with your business card, and the handwritten note to be specific. So mention something in the garden, mention something about the house, something about give a compliment about the house that's very specific to the house. That way the prospective vendor will know that you, a human being, a real person, took the effort to go meet them, and if they've got any interest in selling, then they will call you, or at least it's a fantastic branding tool. Don't waste the opportunity of knocking on a house, no one's there, and then they don't even know that you were there. Make every opportunity count, use every opportunity, and that's a nice little simple door knocking hack.